Hi icons, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. My name is Michelin. I love creating fashion content and lifestyle vlogs. If you happen to find my channel for the first time, please consider to subscribe. Also turn your notification bell on so you won't miss anything moving forward. Today's video, girl, I'm going to do a review of this hair. As you can tell by the title, their hair is from She's Happy Hair. You can find them online as well as throughout Texas. I'm not sure if they have other stores around the country, but as far as Texas, yes, you can find them. If you are into extension, weave, wigs, or things of that nature, stick around, girl. Before I dive into the review, I need to say that this is the Brazilian body wave. Also, I already owned some hair since back when I used to live in New York, but it was thin. I needed more hair so I can have enough for my head, right? So I went to the store and bought one bundle and the closure. So mainly the top of my head, almost the whole head really, is from She's Happy Hair. My honest review will be in no particular order whatsoever, but I'm going to give you some points that I think are very important as far as you buying the hair should you want to do so. First, I want to start with the customer service. I went to the store in Arlington, Texas, and I did appreciate the fact that the door was locked just because maybe I'm a scary cat. But the door was locked. Once you get at the door, they will open it for you and it will lock right away once you get in. Maximum security as much as we can. I'm happy with that. The lady who helped, she was super knowledgeable, but I felt as she wasn't super nice. She was really dry. As I said earlier, I already had hair from when I used to live in New York, so I bought it over there. I bought just a little piece so she can see. I think I bought actually one bundle. I can't really remember, but I bought some hair so she can look at it and then help me with what will match what I already had. I was very nervous, like, oh my gosh, are you sure this is what I need? She was super dry, like, yes, no, this is it. No, this is it. So to me, that wasn't very nice. It wasn't very professional, so that was a bummer for me. But as far as knowing what she was talking about, she was on point. 10 out of 10. So for that, I guess I would take whatever behavior or treatment she was giving me, because my hair turned out to be what I was looking for. The hair matches my old hair perfectly, perfect, and I'm happy with that. Number 2, the packaging. Even though I went to the store, I like the fact that they took the time to actually package my hair nicely. It was pretty, it was professional. If only her attitude could match the packaging, it would have been really nice. But they did a good job as far as packaging. It was really nice, it was clean. They add a touch of luxe to the hair, and that was something that I really appreciated. Really nice. So as far as quality of hair, I'm going to touch a few points like the price, the heat, the color, and things like that. I think the quality altogether is good because, like I said, I already had other hair. Usually it's hard to match some old hair coming from another company, but this was A1. It was on point. The quality is good. I was able to dye this hair black easily. I left the color in for a couple of hours and the hair was black enough because it comes in natural color. As you can see, it's black. I used Dark and Lovely Midnight Blue, so the color is really nice. And when I washed it, it wasn't shedding. It did shed just a tiny bit. I would not even consider that. That's why I said it wasn't shedding. The hair was super soft. The hair was nice. And I need to add that only after washing that the hair matched my old hair. But it was really good. I didn't have any problem washing my hair, and the drying wasn't hard either. I did blow dry it partially, but I could have let it easily air dry. The reason why I blow dried it because I had to go get my hair done, but the hair didn't take a long time to dry. Super easy, low maintenance. I love this hair. And for the bundle and the closure, I spent almost $300. Also, it's super easy to curl. Whether you want to curl it with a curling iron or flexi rod, this hair is like the easiest girl ever, low maintenance. It doesn't take too long to take care of it. I did use the flexi water to curl this. I don't like my hair to be curly. I like it to be bouncy, like body wave. This is why you see this. I will insert a clip to show you how I curled it. Literally just with my hands. Maybe I just brushed a little bit. I only used some oil from, I really cannot think on top of my head right now, but everything will be in the clip. That's all I used. No need to use mousse or anything like that. I just used the big flexi rod. After a few hours, this is what I have. So to me, that is perfect. If you are a girl who's always on the go, you want some curls real quick, flexi rod will do it. The hair is good. You don't need to wet it in order for it to have the bounce or the curls that you are looking for. Super easy. Now I have to say though, as far as heat, I'm not sure, because the day I got my hair done, my hairdresser used low heat and she used a curling iron. As I was getting ready for this video, I tried to use a hot comb. Oh my gosh, I'm not sure if you guys can see. If you pay attention, you will see some burnt hair on top. As I was going like this to tame the hair on top and define the middle part, I just heard shh, and this strong smell took over my bathroom, like hair was burning. So just keep that in mind. I don't know why. Yeah, that right there was a problem for me, because I would love to be able to use my hot comb or any heat for that matter without having a problem. So right now I'm not sure how I'm going to do to make it look all black, because you can see the tiny brown or reddish like pieces of hair on top. You can tell it's been burnt. So I wouldn't say that it takes heat well. Please keep that in mind. The hair's kind of pricey now, so we don't want, we gotta take care of it. Okay, sis? But because it doesn't take too much altogether to take care of it, I believe this hair will last a long time. Now though, the closure, the lady told me I can use it 3 times, which I doubt, because my hairdresser over bleached it and it was a problem for me. I'm not sure what it's looking like to you guys. It's okay, I guess. I don't know how you reverse a closure once it's been over bleached. I don't know anything about hair, like weave and things like that, so I don't know what I would do. Either I have to buy a new one, or I don't know. For now, I'm just wearing this and focusing on this. But if you are thinking of using a closure, she said 3 times max, and then toss it, buy a new one. On to the length. This hair is 22 inches. The closure is 16 inches, but the bundle is 22. Which I don't think is true to length. The reason why I say it's not true to length, because I have other hair already before the She's Happy hair, and 22 inches looked way longer than this. After time, because it thins out, it also gets shorter, but this one to me was already short, so with time it's gonna look way shorter than that. But yeah, altogether I am satisfied with this hair. I would give it a 9 out of 10. Oh yeah, thickness. The hair feels thick, but it doesn't feel super thick, and it doesn't feel coarse at all. It's soft. It's not that soft, but it's not coarse either. Usually Brazilian hair is coarse, but this one is good. I love the texture. See how my fingers go through? I don't even need to comb it all the time, and once I have the curls, I can keep these bouncy curls for the whole week, or at least 3 days. I say the whole week because if I'm not doing anything, I'm not going out, it can stay. But if I'm combing and brushing, of course it won't last as long. My point is, it does hold curls beautifully. So yeah, the hair is good, and it does not shed as much, which we love, because we don't want a hair that shades all the time. So yeah, as of now, She's Happy Hair is my new girl. That's my new place to buy my hair, in the DFW, of course. I would totally recommend it. So icons, that was it for the honest review about the She's Happy hair. I hope you found it helpful. Let me know in the comment how you liked it. Once again, thank you for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Stay safe and I'll see you next time. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Bye.